When we shape this line, we will just separate this line to 4 parts. Belt feeder, turntable, rubber hand with a conveyor. It consists of the rubber hand frame and this conveyor, and the cartoning machine packed in one case. If your workshop floor is flat enough, you don't need to adjust the height of each feet of cartoning machine, conveyor, and rubber hand. When you open the cases, just assemble them in right position, like this. There will be 4 locators to fix the position of rubber hand and the cartoning machine and the conveyor. First, fix the cartoning machine and the rubber hand frame. Can fix the screws first, but not to tighten them. And slightly adjust the position between it to make sure there is no gap between them, and then fix it. Then fix the position between conveyor and the rubber hand frame. Fix the screws, but not too tight, because the conveyor material is aluminum profile, so not too tight in case it's out of shape. After 4 locators installed, then fix all the foot in rubber hand and this conveyor onto the floor. Then remove all 4 locators again. Make sure turntable axis is flat with conveyor. Next, we connect each line. Each line we marked the label on it. Just find the same label and connect them. These 2 lines is for controller. Network cable can across to the holes to the back of the electric control cabinet and connect here. Belt feeder power supply connect with cartoning machine. And turntable power supply connect with belt feeder. And and found the same two number and connect it. And the same one cable connect with belt feeder. Connect number 3 and number 4 lines. At last, connect the air supply, power supply, then power on it. Turntable air blower will keep it. If you don't want to use it, just remove the air supply here. Then we can power on the line and wait all the system awake. Enter the touch screen and turn to page 2. Vision System computer will open automatically. Its default setting as script daddy. And this is the controller of robot hand. We should wait around 2 minutes. When it's showed in this page, then we press the menu. Fill in the user. Then type the name of the program. We set to name, Daddy and Mommy. Now we type Daddy first. Before running, we check all the screws, in case they are loose during the shipping. Find the right position and fasten all screws we can see. Yellow button is the jog button. When we press the yellow button step by step, then machine will run step by step. This can help us to check all steps are well and there is no stuck in machine. And check when machine in stop position, the conveyor grid is aligned with the line mark. Also check the chain position is right. Next step, we can put the curtains in curtain holder. Make sure all curtains orderly put here and in this direction. Before automatic run, we can use the manual mode and select one box to check in case the box defeat or failed to open. We can press the suction box 1 and press the jog button and close the suction box 1 and continue press the jog button to check each step if each step goes well or not. After checking all the steps well, then we can change to automatic mode and press the green stop button. Machine will work automatically. And robot hand turn green to be ready. Then we open the belt feeder and turntable to let the whole line running. When you press the stop button, the whole line will stop. And you can press the green button to let the line run again. If there is some emergency issues happen, then you press the emergency button. Machine will stop as well. After you solve the problem, we can rotate the emergency button and press alarm reset to clean the fault. Or we also can use stop button to clean the fault. There are some faults machine may happen. One is pusher overload. This may happen when curtain start and the pusher push unusually. Then machine will stop and choose pusher overload. First, we should clean the fault. For example, pick out the start curtain and push the pusher in its position, and then alarm reset to clean it. Then we can run again. There is another fault. When sensor checking the product, button no curtains down, machine will stop and remind box not expanded well. This issue may happen when air supply unusual or curtains didn't open in normal situation. Same after clean the fault, we can press the stop button to clean the fault, or press the alarm reset. Pick out the product which no curtains, then we can restart again. And the third issue is lack of curtain. Warning light will turn red. This belongs pre-alarm. Pre-alarm reminds us to feed curtains. If you don't feed curtains in time, after running 15 curtains, machine will stop automatically. When curtains start seriously and the machine shows pusher overload, at the same time the position is changed. We couldn't push the pusher into the grid. If it happens like this, how to do? We have to go back of the machine and loose the chain screws. Found these two screws and loose it. And pulled the board to align the position to the line we marked. Then we back to machine again and fix these two screws. Please note, should be fastened as tight as you can. Then we will find we can push the pusher again and clean the fault. Then we can press the jog button to check the position. Now it's okay. How can we change to Mommy? This computer matches the keyboard and the mouse. We can find this file and open the Mommy program. Then here change to Mommy. Then we have to change robot hand program. Same, press the menu button. Fill in the user. Change the program name Daddy to Mommy. Here has a pen back of this controller. We can use this pen to fill in. Then we press the stop button and press the start button to reset. Finally, we can start the machine, the whole line again. Please don't forget to install the tank. This is for the waste falling down here.